Hello guys, welcome to Soft Asia Tech. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can add isometric tiles image gallery like this in your WordPress blog or page using WP Bakery Page Builder. To add an isometric gallery for images in your blog, first you need to log in to the dashboard. Now go to plugins and click on add new. Now go to upload plugin, choose file, and I am selecting VC Super Bundle plugin. I have added link in description. You can download this plugin for free from there. Now click on install now. Wait until installing. After installation, click on activate plugin. Now you have successfully installed the Super Bundle for WP Bakery Page Builder, which I have downloaded from given link. Now go back to dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more informative tutorials about WP Bakery and WordPress. Now go to post and click on add new. Add post title and publish the post. After publishing, click on WP Bakery Page Builder button and then click on Backend Editor. Scroll down, click on Add Element button and go to Super Bundles section. Now here you can see isometric tiles. Click on it. Here you have to select tile images. I'm selecting this one. And click on add images. Now in design section you can change area of height. Also you can change tiles layout. Here some pre-made templates. I'm selecting 9 uses. Scroll down. You can change tile size and gap between tiles. Save changes and review the changes. Here you can see first tiles were added, but now we will add a hover effect on it. For this, go back to editor, edit the widget, go to design, scroll down. Here you have to select tilt image, go to lightbox and check. Scroll down. Now save changes and review again. Now hover over it. It will appear like this. Now go back to editor, edit the widget, go to design and change its size to square. Now save changes and review changes again. Now it look like this. Now you can change the tiles design. You have multiple designs here. I will select this one and change gap between tiles to 15, tilt angle to 70. Now save changes and review again. Now it looks like this. Reduce the angle, code design and rectangle of export key. Save changes and review the changes. Now it will look like this. That's how you can add isometric tiles image gallery in your WordPress blog using WP Bakery page builder and super bundles add-on for WP Bakery plugin. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.